So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to take the remaining methods which were not done in the previous video. So we have completed 1 to 7. That means that from send keys to is selected we have completed, and remaining methods are get tag name, click, get location, get text and get size. So let us begin with the get tag name method. So get tag name gets the tag name for the rendered element or the selected web element. For example, if we open the Swag Lab page, for example, this is sourcedemo.com, and if I inspect this particular username, right? So this particular tag is responsible for this particular username web element appearing over the web page. Okay, so this is the tag name. Okay, what are attributes? Attribute are class, placeholder, type, data test id, name, autocorrect, okay, auto capitalize, right? These are all the attributes and having some values in the double inverted comma, and the tag is input. So if you want to get tag name for a particular web element, then you can use get tag name. So if I copy the XPath of this particular web element and open our Eclipse IDE, and we have seen that this was the particular locator for our you know uh, login button. So instead of writing the whole statement again, this is the locator, right? This was the locator for the login button. So instead of writing the whole statement again, I am just pasting this particular statement. So system.out.print till here, okay, and then I will write get tag name, right? So the tag name will be printed over the console. Okay, so here we are missing with a bracket. Okay, so coming on to the next method, we have the click method. Okay, so if you want to click over a particular web element, for example, if you want to click over the login button, then you will use the click method. Okay, we have already used it, but for knowledge purpose, I am again telling it. So if I click over this, we'll get a error because no username and password are entered right now. So I'll show you when by script how can we click over this particular login button. So again, we will copy the same particular locator, this driver.find element by XPath, because this is the locator of our login button, and I am pasting it over here, and then I am using dot click. Okay, so let me close the bracket and then dot click, right? So this is the line for clicking over the login button. And then what's the next method? Next method is get location. Okay, so get location method will give you the location of the top left corner of the web element. What do I mean by this? For example, this is the login button. If you want the location of the top left corner, look at my mouse pointer, right? This is the top left corner, right? You will get the coordinate of this particular point. See the index finger right now of the pointer. You will get the coordinate of this particular point, right? This particular, okay, this corner. So get location will render you or give you or provide you with the coordinate of the top left corner of the web element, right? So let us use the get location. So let me copy this particular locator of the login button, control C, and then let me paste it. So pasting it, control V, and I am writing here get location, right? So get location will give us the location of the top left corner of the login button. What next? So the next method are get text and get size. So I'll tell you get text at the end. First, let us see get size. It gives the width and height of the rendered element. For example, if you have this particular login button, then the height and width of the login button will be given to you by the get size method, right? So let me copy this particular locator of the login button once again, and then paste it over here, and then get size. Okay, bracket, and then yeah, so this line will give us the size. Okay, it will print over the console. And now I will tell you get text. Okay, so it gets the visible text. What do I mean by this? For example, so for showing you get text, I have selected Singapore Airlines official website. So this is a link we can see here. This is a link. Okay, when we will click over this, we will be navigated to some other page, right? So if I inspect this particular link, you will be directed to this particular hyperlink reference, right? This is the link you will be navigated to when you will click over find out more. But here you are not able to read the particular link to which you will be navigated to. Okay, you cannot read this, right? this particular link, you are able to read the visible text, right? So the visible text is nothing but find out more. Okay, you can see here find out more is the visible text. So if I copy the, okay, first we have to navigate to Singapore Airlines, right? So let me navigate to Singapore Airlines. So driver dot navigate to, um, and then I need to provide the URL for Singapore Airlines official website. Okay, copying this, Control C, and pasting it over here, Control V, and then I have to, find that particular link, okay, and then render its text, right? So, okay, driver dot find element and then by dot xpath. You can use any other locator also. You can say that my favorite is xpath, so I use it, uh, frequently. Okay, so I need to copy the XPath of this particular find out more link, right? So inspect this particular find out more and copy the XPath directly from here and paste it, right? So, and then get text. Okay, are you clear with it? Okay, system, we need to print it also, right? So system dot out dot, wait for a while, the driver vanished. System dot out and then out dot print ln, and then I need to provide bracket over here. So this will be inside the system dot out dot println, right? So saving the script as for now, and then I will write driver dot quit. So this will close all the associated windows. Okay, so I have saved the script and we are going to run the script once again. So the script started to run and it will open the Chrome browser and then Swag Labs. Okay. Then it will enter hello new user, remove it, clear it. Okay. And then it clicked over the login button and then navigated to Singapore Airlines official website. And then it will render us the link text. Okay. So, okay. Yeah. So you can see now I will show you. So we have seen till here, right? Is enabled. We have done, right? So till here, true, till the true value we have done in the previous video. Now I will tell you from here. So system.out.println driver.find element by the locator and then get tag name. So the tag name of the login button was input. Okay, I have already shown you. Let me show you once again for the surety. So inspecting this particular login button, we can see that this is inside an input tag, right? So then we have got the location of the top left corner, get location, right? So this is the top left corner and we have got the xy coordinates of this particular location, and then system.out.println driver.find element by the locator and then get size. So this is the length and breadth of this particular login button, and then we clicked over the login button, so you can see that it got clicked, right? We have already seen the red error came. Okay, so red colored error came in the Chrome browser. We have seen it. Okay, so then we navigated to Singapore Airlines and then we got the text of that particular link. So that was find out more. Okay, and you can see it's find out more. Okay, this is the text find out more. You can see it here. So this is how we use all the available methods, and hence we can print everything over our console, right? So I hope that all the methods are clear to you, and we will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, you keep revising, keep learning, and keep watching. Thank you.